Good morning, dear kids. I'm taking today exercise 7C of percentage. Let's start. Question number 1 says a bag contains 8 red balls, 11 blue balls. So red balls 8, blue balls 11 and green balls 6. Find the percentage of blue balls in the bag. Now if you want to find the percentage, first you have to add all this. So you will get total balls 25. Now they have asked the percentage of blue balls. So you have to take blue balls percentage. For that you will take blue balls, number of blue balls upon total into 100. So that will be 11 upon 25 into 100 and you will get a percentage. Clear? Question number 2, and it says Mohan gets 1350 from Geeta. So this is Mohan and he gets from Geeta 1350 rupees and rupees 650 from Rohit, and from Rohit he gets 650 rupees. Okay, out of total money. So how much total money he gets? Total money he gets is 1350 plus 650, that is 2000 rupees. Out of total money Mohan gets from Geeta and Rohit, what percent does he gets from Rohit? So Rohit percentage, if you want, you have to take Rohit amount upon total into 100. What is Rohit's amount? 650. What is total? 2000, and you have to multiply with 100 to get with the percentage. Clear? I'll jump on to question number 3, which says the monthly income of a man is 16,000. So what is the monthly income? It is 16,000. 15% of it is paid as income tax. Iska 15% is paid as income tax. So how you will find 15%? 15 upon 100 into 16,000 and you will get 2,400. This is paid as income tax. Okay, so what will be remaining amount with him? Remaining will be total income minus income tax, that is 13,600 will be the remaining amount. Okay, 15% is paid as income tax and 75% of the remaining is paid on rent, food and clothing. How much money is still left? Iska 75% he is paying for rent, food and clothing, that is 13,600 ka 75%. My dear kids, you will get 75% of it as 10,200. This he paid for food and rent. So how much is remaining? So remaining now with him will be 13,600 minus 10,200, that is 3,400 is still remaining with him. Clear? Problem number 4, it says a number is first increased by 20% and the resulting number is then decreased by 10%. So first you have to increase by 20%. So first you can increase by 20% and then there is decrease of 10%. How you will do it? We do not know the original number. So you will write, let the original number be 100. So once you got 100 and you want to increase means add. So you want to increase how much percent? You have to increase 20%. 100 ka 20% hota hai 20. So you will get 120. And now you have to decrease 10% of 120. 120 का per 10% होता है 12. You have to decrease. So what will be remaining now? Remaining new number will be now 108. After decreasing and increasing, the new number formed will be 108. Now they have asked, find the overall change. Now overall change is what? You have to compare the new number with the original number. What is the difference? The difference upon difference upon original number into 100. What you have to do? Difference upon original number into 100. What is the difference? 8 upon original is 100 into 100. So what percentage change did you got? You got percentage change as 8%. That is an increase. 100 में से 108 बना तो इंक्रीज हुआ ना, सो यू कॉल दैट 8% एज एन इंक्रीज इन परसेंटेज. ओके, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 5th. And it says a number is increased by 10%. Again, very similar problem. I guess you can do it. So I'll put it as a homework. Question number 6. During 2003, so 2003 की बात है, the production of a factory decreased by 25%. We do not know the original production, so I'll take original production as 100 and it is decreased by 25%. When you say decrease of 25%, 100 का 25% जब आप करोगे तो 25 आता है. Decrease है इसलिए हम subtract करते हैं, so 75. So we can call new production as 75. Okay, further it says during 2004 it increased by 40%. अब ये 2004 आ गया, अब हो रहा है increase कितना 40%. किसका? 75 का. तो जब 75 का आप 40% करेंगे you will get it as 30. तो 30 आपको increase करना है 75 में, so you will get 105. क्लियर. सो रिजल्टिंग, अब आपके 2 साल में प्रोडक्शन चेंज क्या आया है? फर्स्ट इट वॉज 100, देन इट बिकेम 75 एंड नाउ एट प्रेजेंट इट इज 105. सो यू हैव टू कंपेयर योर ओरिजिनल विद लेटेस्ट, दैट इज द न्यू वन. व्हाट इज अ चेंज? चेंज इज 5%. सो चेंज अपॉन ओरिजिनल into 100, that will be the percentage change. What is change? 5. What is original? 100 into 100% का. So your final answer is 5%. Clear? So I'll jump on to question number 6, which says last year oranges were available 24 per dozen. 24 rupees per dozen. What do you mean by per dozen? That means 12. 24 rupees for 12 oranges. So one orange will be 24 upon 12, that is 2 rupees. Clear? Further it says, but this year they are available 50 per score. So 50 rupees per score. What do you mean by per score? My dear kids, एक score होता है 20 items का, 20 articles. So 50 rupees में आपको मिले हैं 20 oranges. Okay? So what will be the cost of one orange? That will be 50 upon 20 and that will be 2.50. Okay, so your per cost of orange was 2 before and now it is 2.50. So what is the percentage change? As I said you, to find the percentage change you have to write change upon original into 100. What is the change? पहले 2 रुपया था, अभी 2.5 रुपया हो गया, तो 0.5 पैसा is the change. 0.50 पैसा is the change. Upon original was 2 into 100. When you can calculate this, my dear kids, you will get 25%. Please note it down. That was problem number 7. Now problem number 8. Ready? Okay, problem number 8. Problem number 8 says, in an examination, Kavita scored 120. कविता की स्कोर हम लोग लिख रहे हैं. It is 120 out of 150 in maths, 136 out of 200 in English, 108 out of 150 in science, and find her percentage score in each subject. My dear kids, for finding the percentage score, how you will get it? Let's start. How to find the percentage of each subject? It will be 120 upon 150 into 100. So percentage in maths is 80%. Next you have 136 upon 200 into 100. Likewise you have to find for English as well as for science. For each subject. Now they have said find her percentage score in each subject and as well as whole. What do you mean by aggregate? Aggregate matlab you have to take the total of this and this. So aggregate percentage will be total of subjects, that is 120 plus 136 plus 108 upon total score, that is 150, 200 plus 150 into 100. And from here you will get the main whole percentage. Yes, my dear kids, you have to find that. Is that clear? I'll jump on to question number 9, and it says A is 25% older than B. I don't know what is the age of B. So can I write B is 100 years? And A is 25% older. That is 100 plus 25. So A is 125 years. Okay. By what percent is B younger than A? अब B कितना छोटा है एक से, तो आप में डिफरेंस कितना है B और A में? So 25 is the difference. With whom you are comparing should come in the denominator. B को आप किसके साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हो? A के साथ, तो A should come in the denominator and into 100. So what you are finding is percentage by which B is younger. तो B की परसेंटेज फाइंड कर रहे हैं, तो पहले मैंने आपको कहा है परसेंटेज डिफरेंस मीन्स व्हाट? चेंज इन द परसेंटेज अपॉन टोटल ओरिजिनल इनटू 100. बट हियर व्हेन यू आर कंपेयरिंग विथ अदर पर्सन, दैट अदर पर्सेंटेज शुड कम इन द डिनोमिनेटर. ठीक है. सो वंस यू सॉल्व दिस यू विल गेट द परसेंटेज. क्लियर? वांट टू नोट इट डाउन? And problem number 10. Problem number 10 says increase 180 by 25%. So you have to increase 180 by 25%. How you will do it? 180 तो है, उसको पहले उसका 25% निकालो. So you have to take 25% of 180. Whatever answer you will get, you have to add to 180 that thing and get the final answer. That's called as increase. And in this problem number 2 you have decrease 140 by 18%. So how you will decrease, my dear kids? You have to take 140 का 18%. Whatever answer you will get, that you will subtract from 140. Why you are subtracting from 140, my dear kids? Because it is written decrease. So this is how we find increase and decrease. Note it down. Okay, my dear kids, I'll stop it here. You have to complete these 10 problems, and if you find any difficulty, please do message me. God bless.